What's there in a name? Well, there's actually a secret to everything. My name is Anand Johnson, and I am an Indomalayan from the ancient mountain ranges of the western ghats of India. We live in nature to explore and create stories of life in nature. And life has given its gift to all beings. To explore is the dream, and to travel is the life goal. And yes, Fuel Raven lets you discover your polar dreams. Yes, they let people live in nature. We live in harmony with nature. Yes, being grateful. Yes, showing the respect. And yes, we can change the world.